In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log calls in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a past phone conversation, capture the details that matter, and set yourself up with an effortless follow-up, all inside HubSpot. Start by opening HubSpot in your browser and signing in. If your account uses Google's single sign-on, choose Sign In with Google and select your Google account to continue. This keeps your login secure and ties your activity to the right user. Once you're in, head to the CRM area, then open Contacts. From here, find the person you just spoke with. You can scroll through your list, use the search bar, or apply filters to narrow things down. Click the contact's name to open their record and view their timeline. On the contact record, look for the More menu and choose Log a Call. This option records a call that has already happened. It's different from placing a live call. You'll see a call logging panel where you can fill in the details. First, adjust the date to the day the call actually occurred. Then set the time so your activity timeline reflects reality. Accurate timestamps help with reporting, handoffs, and remembering the sequence of touches. Next, choose a call outcome. For example, you might select no answer, but pick whatever best describes how the call ended. Consistent outcomes are important because they roll up into dashboards and help your team understand what's working. In the Notes field, summarize the conversation. Keep it clear and concise, what you discussed, any objections, decisions made, and next steps you committed to. Think of this as a quick snapshot that someone else on your team could read and instantly understand the context. If you want to make sure nothing falls through the cracks, check the option to create a to-do. This automatically creates a follow-up task connected to the call. Select the task type, call, email, or another option, based on how you plan to follow up. Then choose when the follow-up should happen. For instance, you can pick in 2 business days to keep your momentum going without overwhelming your calendar. Setting a clear due date and the right type helps you stay organized and ensures HubSpot can remind you at the right time. When everything looks good, click Log Call to save. You'll now see the call on the contact's timeline along with your notes and the scheduled task. That's it, your activity is documented, searchable, and tied to your follow-up plan. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep practicing this flow after every call, and your CRM will always reflect the latest, most accurate picture of your relationships.